Remove the front fork protector. Remove the nuts and hooks from the front wheel. Loose the nut a little bit, so that the caliper brake can release. Release the caliper brake from the limit post, then assemble the front wheel to the front fork. Use the hook to secure the wheel in place. Tighten the nuts, and repeat this process on the other side. Reposition the brake pads parallel to the rim. Tighten the nuts and repeat this process on the other side. Then readjust the caliper brake. Put the caliper brake back between the limit posts. Squeeze the brake with one hand. Leave about half a centimeter distance on both sides. Pull down the brake cable with another hand. Secure the brake cable in place and then tighten the nut. Repeat this process if the adjustment is not ideal. Adjust the brake lever to the recommended 45 degrees downward, or any degree you feel comfortable with. Tighten the brake lever with the Allen key after adjusting to the desired angle. Test the brake's performance. If it is not working appropriately, try to readjust the brake cable and brake pad again.